Hey Bob, just wondering if you can give me a quote here on some drywall repairs, patching. I'll put my hand on that so you can kind of see what's needed there. That's one. And you may find more when you're over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, just a little thing down there, 6. Might just want to put a plate on that, put 7. Where am I at in here? I think this room's okay. Oh, good Lord. We just need some texturing. I've got a painter coming in. So that was 8. Come on down. 9 there. Some water damage. It's all dry. Maybe 10 if we do that one in the laundry. Might just leave that one. And then in here, what do I have? Is that something? Maybe a little repair there. Don't know what's going on there, but it's dry.